Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, we shall learn that how we can create fire effects in Blender. So let's start our video. We have a default Blender. So first we select this cube, press Shift A and select a UV sphere. Make it shade smooth. Then enter into the object menu. From here we select quick effect and quick smoke. So select the object, enter into the physics properties. From here we select fire. Nice. So run the simulation and check the result. Nice. Thank you for watching.